Hello, I'm Mitzi from You Pull and Pay. What is You Pull and Pay? You Pull and Pay is a self-serve used auto parts store with stores throughout the country. Each store displays thousands of vehicles on stands, arranged in rows, and separated by manufacturer. Customers bring their own tools, pull their own parts, and save tons of money. We want to show you just how easy it is to pull parts from our vast inventory of vehicles. Anyone can do it. Check out this video to learn how to safely and correctly remove the part and learn which tools you'll need to get started. Welcome to You Pull and Pay's How-To video series.
Hello, my name is David and this is You Pull and Pay. I'm here to demonstrate how to remove a headlamp off of a 2007 Ford Escape. First step in the process is remove the bumper cover. It's a fairly simple process, 4 bolts, 2 up top, 2 below. And in order to get to the bolts below, the bumper cover needs to be off. And so we'll start with the 2 bolts on top, 10mm socket. Second step is removing the 2 10mm bolts underneath. The final step in removing the headlight is sometimes there are plastic clips up above that you just have to pop out and then slowly remove the light. You can see the back of the light has 2 electric inserts. In the rare case there is a battery in a You Pull and Pay car, you would first want to remove the battery and so you don't get electrocuted. Final step, remove the electric cables. And out is your almost brand new 2007 Ford Escape headlight.